Hey everyone, ever heard of Office 365 and wondered, what exactly is it? Well, you're in the right place. Think of Office 365 not just as a bunch of programs, but more like your ultimate digital toolbox, packed with everything you need to get work done, whether for school, work, or even just managing your home life. At its core, it includes those familiar tools you probably already know: Word for writing, Excel for spreadsheets, and PowerPoint for presentations. But here's the cool part. Because it's cloud-based, you can access your documents and these programs from virtually anywhere, on almost any device, as long as you have an internet connection. This cloud magic means you can start a document on your desktop, continue editing on your laptop, and even make a quick change on your phone. Plus, you're always on the latest version of the software, so no more worrying about outdated programs or manual updates. Instead of buying the software once and having it for a fixed version, Office 365 is a subscription service. This means you pay a small fee, usually monthly or annually, to keep access to all the apps, updates, and even extra cloud storage. Beyond Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, it often includes other super helpful tools like OneDrive for secure cloud storage and Microsoft Teams for chat and video conferencing, making teamwork and communication incredibly easy. So, in a nutshell, Office 365 is your modern, flexible, and always up-to-date suite of productivity tools that lets you work smarter, collaborate easier, and access your files from anywhere. Pretty neat, right? Subscribe for more fun facts.